Hi and welcome in this video. Today we make some nice basketball photos in an action sequence. Maybe you've seen some action shots where you have one image, but you see one sequence of maybe a trick from skateboards or from BMX, wakeboard, snowboard, ski, or from basketball in one image. I have the camera mounted on a tripod, and this is important because I don't want the camera to move. The only thing that is moving is Timothy with his dunking in the background. The camera is in one line to the basketball hoop, so it's important that you don't have any curves or something, because that is hard to stitch afterwards. What I want in the best case scenario, Timothy is coming from left to right or from right to left, and in the middle is the basketball, and bam! The dunking in the frame and everything is captured. What I do for that, I go in manual mode, I take the burst mode, and I will do a lot of images from that one dunking so that I have every single frame. The walking, the jumping, taking off, bam! Dunking and landing and out of the frame, but then in one image. I will tell you the settings soon. Let's go down on the floor and set the frame. I'm sitting now on the ground, the tripod is set, camera is set. I have the basketball hoop now in the middle, and I'm very wide angled as mentioned. I'm on 12mm APS-C. The camera is the A6300, and from the settings I'm on 5.6 now. Then I'm on a 2000th of a shutter, ISO 100. It's perfect that it's a bright sunny day, it's midday sun. Usually I don't photograph, but for fast sport shots, this is the perfect weather condition. The only difficulty right now is the burning sun, and I have already put sun protection on because it's so freaking hot and I'm sweating. But Timothy will sweat even more because we will do the whole shot now for several times. I have the burst mode on, as mentioned. This is important. I'm on manual focus infinity, but you can use the autofocus as well. I don't have an autofocus on this lens, but manual focus works totally fine. In some cases it can happen that the autofocus will make one shot of the whole burst sequence out of focus. It doesn't happen often, but it can happen, so manual for me is always a better option. So let's try it out. We'll do the shot. I'll look now through the viewfinder, and Timothy, let's go! Bam! Whoa! That was the camera. Yeah, but anyway, the shot is done, and the camera is very solid, so that should not be a problem. That's a perfect outtake. No, but it's actually not an outtake. We keep it in the video. So yeah, what was important now, that I just keep the shutter pressed while I take the sequence, because then the burst mode can work. So as you heard, I made a lot of images, and all those images will be stitched together afterwards. We will do some more shots now, some from the left, some from the right, that I can see more the face. Maybe we try some trick shots. The basketball hoop is now on 2 meter, so not on 3 meter. It's easier to dunk, but I think we'll pull it up on 3 meter as well. Timothy can do that, and then we will see how the images look. Boom, the shots are done, and this is how the final image looks. Amazing, isn't it? I did some similar shots with a wakeboarder in a fun park, and yeah, it's a great technique to just photograph extreme sport or basketball or whatever is in your mind, so try it out for yourself. Quick commercial. If you want to learn more about photography, especially landscape photography, check out learnfromben.com. This is my website, and there you find video courses about photography and as well image editing. Learnfromben.com. And in the next video, I will show you how to put everything together in Photoshop that you get this nice image. So subscribe quick to the YouTube channel, and we see us in the next video. Of course, hit thumbs up as well, and give a shout out to Timothy, right? Shout out Timothy for nice dunkings. And yeah, I take some more photos.